Yes. Be straight. सभी अपने कमर पीठ गर्दन को सीधा रखें. आईज जेंटली क्लोज्ड. दोनों हाथों से ज्ञान मुद्रा लें. हथेलियां ऊपर की तरफ. Relax forehead. Attention on your breathing at both the nostrils. Be closer to your breathing. सांसों की नजदीकियों को बढ़ाते चलें. Now pay the attention to your Muladhara chakra, root chakra. Near the anal region. The mantra for opening this chakra is called Lam. 3 times we'll be repeating. We are going for chakra meditation. Red is the color. Visualize red color. Attention at the center of the anal region and the urinary passage. Yes. Everybody will say with me thrice. Every mantra will be repeating. Lam. 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 Now go to next chakra. Chakral chakra. Swadhisthana chakra. Water is the element. It is the center of purity. Color is orange. Mantra is Vam. Bij mantra is Vam. 3 times you'll be repeating. Vam. 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 Now pay the attention to your third chakra from the bottom, Manipura, navel chakra. Golden yellow color. Ram is the mantra. Ram. 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 Relax. Now attention at the heart chakra and the heart chakra. Mantra is Yam. Color is dark green. Yum. 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 Now we are going for the fifth chakra, throat chakra, Vishuddhi chakra. Light blue, sky blue color, you to visualize. And the mantra is hum. 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 Relax. Now pay the attention to the center of eyebrows. Indigo is the color. Navy blue color, you to visualize. Mantra is Am. Now pay the attention to the top of the head or the 10 inches above that. We're going for Sahasrara chakra. The color is violet. बैंगनी कलर को देखें सभी. Mantra is Om. Relax. Keep the eyes closed. आंखें बंद हैं सभी की. Be with the self. Feel the change, the state of your mind. मन की एकाग्रता, मन शांत, focused, relaxed, at ease. Yes, relax. Open your eyes and share with the experience that every time we are chanting Bij mantra, right? What changes you could feel at the level of your diaphragm or the belly? Anybody please? With every chanting, what was happening with your of course you are breathing out. What a change you could feel on the abdomen level. Anybody please?
Feel vibration in the time of chanting chakras.
Vibrations are always there because Dharmar sound Ma has got a wonderful vibration, spandan, which creates the 4 types of hormones in your brain: dopamine, opiates, oxytocin, serotonin, antidepressant, mood enhancing, feeling good and feeling relaxed hormones. This particular Brahmar sound is creating. Now my question was, what could you feel at the abdominal level? Anybody please?
Balram bhai, very peace. It was
Breathing is
peaceful.
possible.
Yes, please.
Complete breathing was possible from the abdomen. So, a feeling of oneness and completeness, maybe.
See now,
Feeling of
you have not,
feeling
you
of,
might not have, no, yes, please, Diwakar ji boliye.
feeling of peace, relaxed, peace of mind.
With every Bij mantra chanting, what was happening in the abdominal area? Could you feel that every time we exhale it, we could, of course, we are exhaling it more than normal. Then all the time you must have seen the diaphragm gets lifted up. अभी आप फिर से करके देखो. Pay attention. Eyes closed, right? And just say, and just watch your abdominal area. What is happening with that? Yes, only once you'll be repeating. Yes. Could anybody get it?
Yeah, I think stomach is going inside, and we are exhaling more.
Very right, you are exhaling more, and you are exhaling right from the abdominal area. That means when we use the lower part of the lungs, which is connected with the abdominal area or the diaphragm breathing, whenever you chant these mantras, your exhalation becomes longer. Brahma sound creates 4 types of hormones secreted from the brain, which definitely is the need of the hour today. Tension, mental fatigue, exhaustion, depression, trauma, anxiety, fear, right? These are very much prevailing in today's world. And the moment you start chanting these mantras, they're opening all the chakras. We took all the chakras, we have said these different words. इसको कैसे याद रखना? I'll tell you. Lover, LOVER, lover. जब आपस में मिलते हैं तो जंगली पिक्चर का सारा बनोन, शमी कपूर, यू कैन रिमेंबर, याहू होने लगता है. याहू मतलब दे एंजॉय, राइट? लवर जब आपस में मिलते हैं तो याहू इज ए साइन ऑफ फुल जॉय. लवर, LOVER, लम, वम, रम, यम, हम, याहू, right? Ya comes here, yum, and this is hum. If you want to really remember these mantras, I can challenge you, if you do these Bij mantras every day, I'm going to tell you all the chakras will be balanced. All the chakras will be balanced. This is called the chakra meditation. This is called the most effective meditation for opening the chakras. Now we are going to the very first slide, where I have shown that our body contains 7 chakras. Now chakras are nothing but the energy centers. हमारे शरीर में ऊर्जा के समूह होता है, where there are so many energy wires, you can say the nadis meet at one point, right? Now bottommost chakra is the Muladhara chakra. Color, it's very clearly written that is the red color, then orange, then yellow, green, blue, indigo, and the top color is the violet color. You can remember it with the Vibgyor. इंद्रधनुष, जब बारिश में सूरज निकलता है, बारिश पड़ रही है हल्की हल्की, तब इंद्रधनुष के 7 कलर we can see in that rainbow color, right? It is called the Vibgyor, VIBGOR. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, red, and orange. This way you can. Now all these 7 chakras, when you meditate, we get activated the very first chakra, that is Agna chakra, right, center of the eyebrows. Right now, I'll tell you each chakra has got the associated element. Yes, share the next screen, please. Next screen, please. See, now here I have shown you the chakra, which is the root chakra. Unless you balance the root chakra, other chakras, if we can't keep on balancing, keeping aside this mool chakra, root chakra, you can never ever have the wonderful results with the chakra balancing, because this makes the foundation. किसी भी बिल्डिंग को जब हम बनाने जाते हैं तो जितनी ज़्यादा उसकी फाउंडेशन मजबूत होती है उतना ही ज़्यादा वो बिल्डिंग ज़्यादा लंबे समय तक खड़ी रह सकती है, राइट। अब यहाँ बहुत सारे बताए गए हैं कि इसके 4 पीटल्स होते हैं, इसमें अर्थ एलिमेंट होता है। सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों है, हियर लाइज द कुंडलिनी, 2.5 सर्पेंटाइन क्वाइल के रूप में द एनर्जी बॉडी लाइज देयर इन द डोरमेंट कंडीशन, राइट। जब सपेरा सांप अगर टोकरी के अंदर बंद है और सपेरा उसको जगाना चाहता है तो क्या करता है, वो अपने उसकी जो टोकरी है उसको धीरे धीरे थपथपाता है, राइट। देन दैट द स्नेक इनसाइड राइजेस अप, और ये एनर्जी एक बार अगर जागरूक हो गई, विच वी डू विद डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स, आई टेल यू, देन दिस स्टार्ट राइजिंग अप, ऊपर के चक्रास में बहती है ये। इसका जो है मूल जो what it is characteristic is, once it is awakened, otherwise it is latent, dormant, inactive, but once this is activated, it starts rising to upper chakras. And we have been regularly practicing the pranayam sessions where we already taken this mantra. इस मंत्र के बहुत सारे टेक्निक्स हैं जो मैं आपके साथ अभी चलूँगा। Now the more we are in contact with the mother earth, the more you are grounded. This particular chakra is a sign of security and stability. Looking at the situations around, बाहर की परिस्थितियाँ इतनी विकराल होती चली जा रही हैं, they are very much demanding, and every stage they are breaking you, not only physically but mentally, socially, emotionally, financially, right? And everybody is feeling very much insecure and unstable, right? But the very important thing is we have lost the connection with the mother earth, right? हम पहले के ज़माने में हमारे बच्चे ग्राउंड में खेल खेला करते थे, आजकल मोबाइल पे खेलते हैं। ट्रेंड होता चला जा रहा है बाहर खेलना, ग्राउंड में गार्डनिंग करना, घर में काम करना, साफ सफाई करना, झाड़ू पोछा करना, सब एवरीथिंग वी गेट इट डन, राइट। द मोर वी आर इन कनेक्शन विद द मदर अर्थ ग्राउंड, अगर आपके लाइफ में you feel that lot of insecurity and instability is there, the moment you start walking barefoot and if possible on the field, gardening आप कर रहे हैं, on the spot you will find that this chakra gets balanced and you get the energy rising up. If you take a shower on the spot when you take the shower but both the legs are fully grounded and we are very much connected with the oxygen in the water, that time what happens, you get a lot of intuition, the energy starts rising from the bottom chakra and it reaches to the Agna chakra, the third eye chakra, and you get a lot of intuitions at that time also, you're likely to get, right? Different characteristics I written it over here, but I'll tell you very practical thing about this chakra. If you take the affirmation, different technique, mantras, affirmation, then we'll see the music therapy or the sound therapy, then some essential oils. So many things I'll tell you in the future, in the slides ahead. But now 2 practicals we'll take it over here. The very first is Muladhara chakra. Muladhara chakra, when it is depleted, you are absolutely lost and feel absolutely disconnected from the self-esteem and the high self-esteem, you can say. So for that, I'll take meditation. Close your eyes. Red is the color. Now visualize that you are entering a beautiful red color rose garden. आप लाल गुलाब के फूलों के बगीचे में एंटर कर रहे हैं, बेयरफुट। आपका हर कदम, योर एवरी सिंगल स्टेप, यू आर पुटिंग ऑन द ग्रास। जमीन की भीनी भीनी खुशबू, उस ग्रास के ऊपर जो ओस जमा हुई है, उनकी बूंदें पानी की आपको ठंडक का एहसास करा रही हैं। नाउ फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू इन दिस गार्डन, इस बगीचे में आप सभी के लिए फूलों की सेज सजाई गई है, गुलाब की पंखुड़ियों की। अ ब्यूटिफुल बेड हैज बीन अरेंज फॉर यू। वेरी स्लोली आप सभी धीरे से उस फ्लावर के बेड पर, गुलाब की पंखुड़ियों के बेड पर आप धीरे से आकर लेटे हैं। यू आर लाइंग डाउन। हल्की सी भीनी भीनी खुशबू गुलाब के फूलों की आप सभी देख रहे हैं। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सभी को, बहुत बढ़िया महसूस कर रहे हैं। चारों तरफ लाल गुलाब की पंखुड़ियों पर आप लेटे हुए हैं, ऑन द petals ऑफ रेड रोज। स्लोली एंड स्लोली, धीरे धीरे आप महसूस कर रहे हैं मोर एंड मोर ऑफ रिलैक्सेशन। जिससे आपका शरीर ढीला और ढीला होता चला जा रहा है, शिथिल होता चला जा रहा है, रिलैक्स होता चला जा रहा है। यू आर फीलिंग लाइटर, हल्केपन का एहसास। भीनी भीनी खुशबू, हल्की सी ठंडक। नाउ स्लोली आप बाहर आ रहे हैं फ्लोर के बेड से, बड़ी स्लोली। पहले बैठे हैं आप, उठकर खड़े हुए, एंड स्लोली यू आर टेकिंग योर स्टेप्स बैक। हल्की हल्की घास की बूंदों को स्पर्श करती है आपके पैर के तलों पर। हर कदम जैसे आपका आगे बढ़ रहा है, एवरी सिंगल स्टेप इज मेकिंग यू फील मोर स्टेबल and more secured. Yes. Relax. Open your eyes. Anything which is below the navel area, the Mooladhara chakra lies between the anal region and the urinary passage, right? In the front side. The central portion on the front side in the males between the anus and the urinary passage is called the perineum. In females, it is called the cervix, the opening of the vagina, right? Now one more practice we'll take it here. It is called Moola Bandha. Mool Bandh means it is the most easiest way which you can do in the standing position, in the sitting position, and in any asana. When you do any pranayam, you can apply Mool Bandh. Mool Bandh, we'll do it right now. See what you do if you are sitting on the ground, or if you are putting both the feet on the ground, right? You'll see the moment we apply Mool Bandh, Moolbandh means you have to entirely pull up the area between the anal and the urinary passage. मलद्वार से लेकर मूत्रद्वार की पूरी एरिया को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करो ऊपर की तरफ. Come on everybody, contract this area. Apply Moolbandh. Contract the area between the anal region and the urinary passage. You can see at your feet what is happening there. You're holding that. अगर आपको मूलबंध छूट जाता है, again reapply that मूलबंध. मूलबंध is nothing but the pelvic girder, lifting the pelvic girder. आपके मल द्वार से लेकर from the anal region right to your urinary passage, आपने पूरा का पूरा उस एरिया को ऊपर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करके रखा है. Yes, relax, relax. फिर से एक बार लगाएंगे अप्लाई मूलबंध. Again pull the area between the anus and the urinary passage. मलद्वार से मूत्रद्वार की एरिया को पूरा ऊपर की तरफ खींच के रखो. और अब देखेंगे इसके बीच में दे आर मोर ग्राउंडेड. द मोमेंट यू अप्लाई योर मूलबंध, द बोथ द फीट्स आर फुल्ली गेटिंग स्टक अप टू द ग्राउंड. आपके पैरों के तलवों का अट्रैक्शन, या अगर कोई आप आसन में जमीन पर बैठे हैं या यहीं भी बैठे हैं, मूलबंध जैसे ही आप लगाते हैं तो यू आर गेटिंग मोर अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड द ग्राउंड. हु कुड अप्लाई दिस एंड who could feel the more of attraction towards the ground of your feet? You are more your आपका मूलाधार मूलबंध लगाने के साथ ही आपके दोनों ही पैरों के तलवे, या आप अगर जमीन पर बैठे हैं तो you get more grounded to the earth, mother earth. Yes please, anybody?
Yeah, I felt. Balram bhai,
You felt it, na? Very
yes.
good.
Yes. Neha,
That's
I think you
fantastic.
have a question. Neha?
I felt it too.
Yes,
I
you
also-
felt it. See, anything which is related to your genitals, any difficulty as far as the sexual organs are concerned, right? Excessive urination, urine incontinency. I have seen in the 4 to 5 days the dramatic control on the a sister comes to her class, she had to change 8 times her panty. एक छींक आई पेशाब बह जाता है, खांसी आई पेशाब बह जाता है. She feel like passing the urine. The moment she was going to the bathroom, in between, even if a single drop is there, that also was not able to be taken control of. With this Moolbandh, I can tell you, if you apply this Moolbandh very regularly, you can do in the standing position, sitting position, lying position also. So this chakra actually gets very much balanced. Yes, कौन इसको नहीं लगा पाए हैं? Please tell me anybody who could not apply this Moolbandh. Anybody please? Yes, please, anybody? Who could not apply? Vitality, life force. Life force means up where there is umang, utsaha, asha, atmashwas, himmat, sahas. All the qualities which make your personality very charming, very attractive, full of confidence, full of optimism. That is the job of the Muladhara Chakra. The more grounded you are, the more humble you are, and it is connected with smell is the sense of this. Yeah, this is the sacral chakra. This lies at the end of the spinal column. It is called as it is the emotional stability. भावनात्मक स्थिरता को अगर आपको करना है तो this is the chakra which is basically meant for the emotional stability, right? At the lower of the abdomen, this lies in the pelvic area, and it has got 6 petals. The color is orange. Earlier had got the 4 petals. Yeah, this is very, very, very important chakra because we people are connected with the rapid mile, which is known as the law of attraction trainers mostly, right? Now any goal, what you are aspiring for, cannot be completed unless your Manipur chakra is open. If the chakra is closed, overactive or underactive, see that chakra opens and the energy comes. But when these chakras get manipulated, they get out of control. In the positive energy, when it comes during the sleep or during the deep states of meditation, these chakras gets closed. They become, you can say, out of their order. If any bad energy is coming, it allows that. Listening, every single thought, word, and the action causes this Manipur chakra or the solar plexus chakra gets blocked. And this is the much center of tension and emotion. And the very important thing is fear is the center of this chakra. When this chakra is balanced by this Ram mantra or other technique, looking at the yellow chakra, other things, I'll tell you how to get the chakras open. Heart chakra, right? Ego blocks this chakra, and everybody is full of egoistic nature, right? Love is a sign of this chakra. It is the 12 petals. Green is the color. Here is the element. Fire was the element at the Manipur chakra. Now, when this chakra gets opened up, that time what happens? You have a very good heart. You become quite, you can say, broad-minded. God says always, अगर आप दिल बड़ा रखोगे, तो हर जो आपकी कामना है, हर गोल आपका पूरा होगा, हर आपकी इच्छा पूरी होगी. Yes. Now this is the throat chakra. Communication. आजकल हम देख रहे हैं कि थायराइड की बीमारी सबसे ज्यादा फीमेल्स को हो रही है, माताओं बहनों को. द रीजन दे कैनॉट एक्सप्रेस. अगर आप बेटे को कुछ कहेंगे तो प्रॉब्लम है, बहू को कुछ कहोगे तो प्रॉब्लम है, पति को कुछ कहा तो प्रॉब्लम. यू वांट टू से बट यू कैनॉट कम्युनिकेट व्हाट योर फीलिंग्स आर. यू आर बाउंड टू गेट द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ thyroid chakra, that is thyroidism, hyper or hypo, right? We could see the chakras, the bottommost chakra, we could see that all the sexual problems, whether it is the erection, whether it is the, you can say, orgasm for both the partners, everything which is related to the sexual organ and bones of the body. Then if you just visualize the red color, another meditation, just to start visualizing red color every day, then you can definitely balance this chakra. This Ajna chakra is the center of the eyebrows. This chakra, when gets activated, we come from the bottom when the body is concerned, but when the meditation is concerned, that time very first this chakra gets opened, Ajna chakra. Agya chakra means power of intuition, Sadbuddhi, Sadvivek, divine intellect, all the powers, power to recognize anything, power to take a decision, all the powers lies with this chakra. Sixth sense, you can say, जिसको हम तीसरा नेत्र कहते हैं, जिसको हम दिव्य बुद्धि कहते हैं, सद्बुद्धि कहते हैं. And this can be done with the help of one pranayam. I'll take it here before you go ahead. See, one pranayam will take a miraculous results you will get with this pranayam, right? We'll be doing Anulom Vilom pranayam, which is the basically chakra balancing pranayam. All the asanas, there are different asanas for balancing the different chakras. As I talked earlier, the throat chakra, topsy-turvy posture, when you take our legs up and the head is down, Viparit Karani, Halasana, Sarvangasana, and Shirshasana. So this chakra, that chakra, the earlier chakra was getting opened up. Now for Sahasrara chakra, very easy pranayam, I'll tell you, very easy, effective, very effective for all the chakras also. See what you do, you have to inhale from the left nostril, 1:1:2 or more, right? You inhale for 5 counts, hold for 5 counts, both the nostrils closed, and then exhale in the form of Brahmar. That is Brahmari sound. When you exhale from the right nostril, you have to say, you produce the humming the sound. Like this. When you exhale, when we are saying Om chanting, Om mantra, or when we are saying Brahmar sound, it is always breathe out. When you say, I'm talking to you right now, that means I'm exhaling all the time. Whenever you talk, you produce any sound, you produce any vibration of the nad, right? Just try this. Within I think we'll be completing this for 2 minutes time. A miraculous effect you can see on this Agna chakra. Your mind becomes calm and very much concentrated, very much focused. The moment we do this pranayam, the breathing becomes very longer. Exhalation becomes quite longer, and the number of breaths per minute becomes hardly 4. Generally, we take 15 to 18 breaths per minute, but when you do this pranayam on the spot, because here the energy from the left side starts at the root chakra, intersecting all the chakras, it comes to the third eye from the left side. From the right side, that's another nadi which is called Surya Nadi. This is Chandra Nadi, cool. This is Surya Nadi, active. This is passionate. and it starts from the navel chakra. It starts cutting at the throat, heart chakra, then cuts the throat chakra, and it meets here. When both the nostrils are balanced, both the nostrils are balanced, the third Sushmana Nadi gets activated. The current flows, the energy flows through the center of the spinal column. Again, all the chakras comes in this line only. So they cut, they balance, they stimulate all the chakras. Very easy pranayam to open all the chakras. Okay, now inhale from the left nostril, take 5 counts, and then stop for 5 counts, and then exhale in the form of Brahma sound. Ready? Got it? चले practice के लिए I'll show you one round. See this. You have to inhale from the left nostril, close both the nostrils for 5 counts, inhale for 5 counts, then exhale in the Brahma sound from the right nostril, and again come back, inhale from the right, hold for 5 counts, and exhale in Brahma sound. Please continue. You are doing this for 2 minutes time. Eyes closed, everybody keep your eyes closed. Last round, you complete your last round, please. When you come out from the left nostril, your round becomes completed there. Complete your last round for this Anulom Vilom Pranayam in the Brahma sound. Relax. Anything related to the mind, mental tension, anxiety, depression, trauma, mental fatigue, exhaustion, insomnia, all they get corrected with this pranayam in the Brahma sound. This is called the chakra balancing pranayam, hormones balancing pranayam, and this is called the mind personality development pranayam. Now see, listen me very carefully. When we exhale more, that time all the negativity comes out. With a longer exhalation, you are able to take out the negativity from your life. When you inhale, the lungs get, when you exhale longer, then the lungs get very much contracted. When you inhale, that time you are also very easily able to inhale very comfortably, and even with the smallest ratio, your breathing per minute hardly goes from up to 5 around, up to 5, right? If you go ahead with the practice, even you can see that in a minute's time you complete hardly two breaths per minute, right? Yes. Now after we have seen that it's a connected to the pituitary gland, the master gland. See, if we balance this chakra, pituitary is the master gland. When the pituitary gets out of balance, thyroid, all the communication problem, thyroid disease sets in, then thymus gland, all the heart problems, then pancreas, diabetes, adrenal at the back, lot of tension, mental tension, and physical and the mental distress comes there. Gonads, all these problems comes there. Now, next screen please, crown chakra. It is shown in the violet color, the color of bliss. 1000 petals it has. All the elements are involved. All the elements are controlled by this chakra. When this chakra starts getting up, get opened up, then you get the enlightenment. Enlightenment matlab whatever is happening outside in my world, it hardly matters to you. Otherwise, with every single thing we get probed. But with the opening of this particular chakra, you can see that spiritual bliss, अतीन्द्रिय सुख और परमानंद की अनुभूति साधक इस चक्र इसमें करता है. कौन सी ये चक्र? नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज शायद भाई. Yes, CSC चक्रा बैलेंसिंग साउंड थेरेपी, राइट. यस, यहाँ पर त्रिषा जी हैं. त्रिषा गोडा प्लीज. त्रिषा, शी इज ए साउंड थेरेपिस्ट विथ अस.
नमस्ते सर.
नमस्ते. यस त्रिषा जी, वी लाइक टू लिसन यू फ्रॉम यू. आप प्लीज थोड़ा अपना अनुभव 2 मिनट बताइए सभी को. आई हैव अटेंडेड योर ओनली वन सेशन, but we all could feel that all the chakras, I don't know exactly what you have taken there in the session, but please she's a sound therapist with us. Yes please, Trisha ji.
जी नमस्ते. मैं थोड़ा शॉर्ट में बताना चाहूँगी कि वो साउंड थेरेपी कैसे वर्क करती है. जैसे हमारा 7 चक्रास बलराम सर ने बताया, एक चक्रा का पर्टिकुलर साउंड है और पर्टिकुलर मंत्र है, कलर है. तो उसको बैलेंस में लाने के लिए पर्टिकुलर चक्रा के लिए पर्टिकुलर बोल भी है. उसका जो वाइब्रेशन है, हर एक बोल का वाइब्रेशन टोटली डिफरेंट है. उसके साइज भी डिफरेंट है, उसके वाइब्रेशंस भी डिफरेंट है. और 7 बोल्स की, तो उसमें जैसे थेरेपेटिक यूज के जैसे अगर हम करें तो कैसे करते हैं कि पर्टिकुलर कोई बीमारी है जो हमारे पर्टिकुलर चक्रा से रिलेटेड है, तो उसका बोल वो 3 to 5 टाइम्स डिफरेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी से हीट करने से वहाँ पे जो वाइब्रेशंस क्रिएट होता है, वहाँ से वो जो स्टेगनेंट एनर्जी है या इम्बैलेंस है समथिंग, वो धीरे धीरे वो रिलीज होके हमारा चक्रास बैलेंस में आता है. वैसे वो थेरेपेटिक यूज के जैसे भी यूज होता है. अभी शॉर्ट में बोलना चाहूँगी तो आपको बोलो कि सिंपल बिल्कुल लैंग्वेज में हम समझना चाहे तो हाउ इट वर्क. वो पानी जैसे है, हम सबको पता है कि हमारा 70% ऑफ द बॉडी पार्ट इज मेड अप ऑफ द वाटर, राइट. तो जब और पानी सबसे ज्यादा वाइब्रेशन कैच करता है, तो जब हम ये बोल हीट करते हैं तो 70% ऑफ द बॉडी पार्ट इज कैचिंग द वाइब्रेशन. और वहाँ पे जो कुछ डिस्कम्फर्ट है या अनइजीनेस है पर्टिकुलर चक्रास में, तो वहाँ से वो जो स्टेगनेंट एनर्जी है वो मूव होके फिर वहाँ से बाहर निकलने की टॉक्सिन्स के रूप में बाहर निकल जाती है, राइट. वैसे एक चक्रास का एक बोल होता है, वो पर्टिकुलर हीटिंग का उसका एक टेक्निक है. वो टेक्निक से हम हीट करते हैं. इस तरह से 7 चक्रास का 7 बोल्स है. मैं आपको एक खाली बताना चाहूंगी और थोड़ा सा एक बार हीट करके आपको थोड़ा उसके एक्सपीरियंस कराऊंगी. सी चक्रास में बोल ऐसे डिफरेंट बोल्स आते हैं. ओके, सपोज जैसे ये है जो मेरा 3rd आई चक्र का बोल है और उसका पर्टिकुलर वाइब्रेशंस आप देखोगे तो वो पूरा आवाज डिफरेंट आती है. और उसमें जो हीट करने का भी डिफरेंट तरीका है. उसको रिबिंग भी करते हैं, हीट करते हैं, वाइब्रेट करते हैं. और काफी जो आवाज है उसमें तो बड़े से है जो हमारे सर के ऊपर रख के भी हम उसको हीट करते हैं. और बड़ा सा जिसके ऊपर जिसके अंदर हम बैठ के भी वो हीट करते हैं. तो ये डिफरेंट थिंग्स है. वो स्पेशली मेंटल रिलैक्सेशन के लिए, इमोशनल जब कुछ डिस्कम्फर्ट है उसके लिए ये बहुत ही हेल्पफुल है. ओके, सो जिसको कभी हम चांस मिलेंगे तो उसका भी हम सेशन जरूर करेंगे बलराम सर के साथ. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Sure, Trisha, thank you very much for the information. And
Yeah.
Trisha एक सेशन मिडवीक मैजिक में हमारे साथ फ्यूचर में करेंगी.
दिस इज चक्रा अवेकनिंग मेडिटेशन. सपोज आपका रूट चक्र बहुत ज्यादा डिस्टर्ब है, यू आर फीलिंग वेरी मच इनसिक्योर और अनस्टेबल. On the spot, if you feel that red light is coming from the ground and it enters through my feet to my body and intersecting all the chakras, it comes to the Agna Chakra. I can tell you that within 2 minutes time, if you give this practice even for 2 minutes time every day, you start feeling more grounded. जो चीज़ें आपको बेहद परेशान कर रही हैं, you are feeling depressed, lost, exhausted, depleted, and every chakra's light, if you feel it is emanating from the ground, and you are taking that light through your body and coming to the root chakra. So next slide, please. There are chakra healing gemstones. People wear these gemstones. उस कलर के कपड़े पहनते हैं, उस कलर की दीवालों का कलर कराते हैं, उस तरह के कलर को विजुलाइज करके एक शावर के रूप में हम देखते हैं. दैट इज देयर आर द कलर्स कैन बी. नेक्स्ट चक्र प्लीज. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. दिस यू हैव डन द बिगिनिंग बीज मंत्र. दिस इज अ वंडरफुल मेडिटेशन. 60 दिन के अंदर इफ यू प्रैक्टिस दिस very regularly, we took 3 repetitions, you can take 5 repetitions, and just getting relaxation after every mantra chanting. I can tell you that I have been getting the very critical cases when I do my counseling. I always suggest them for 8 consecutive days you practice these chakras, and then visualize what are your goals, where you are feeling lost in life, which area you want to need to improve. We do the visualization. इसमें शाज भाई, इफ यू कैन शेयर, आपके जो ब्रदर का बहुत ही जबरदस्त वीडियो है बना हुआ, यू कैन प्लीज शेयर इट हियर सो दैट पीपल कैन गो थ्रू दैट. है ना शाज भाई? गेटिंग मी ना? हाँ, बहुत ही सुंदर इनके भाई का रिकॉर्डिंग किया हुआ है, शाज भाई के भाई का. और वंडरफुल मेडिटेशन इट इज. बहुत सुंदर आवाज में, बहुत इफेक्टिव आवाज में, विथ ऑल द मेडिटेशन एंड गाइडेंस फॉर दिस विजुअलाइजिंग गोल्स. यस, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज.
In fact, I'm pasting the link to join Midweek Magic Club. I think most of them are part of it, but for the new people, you can click on this link to join it. I'll be sharing the recording of this session as well as all the related information like meditation also in the group. Thank you.
Yes, next slide please.
Sure.
Yes, essential oils. Every chakra has got different oils. मैंने सारे स्लाइड में दिए हुए हैं. When you get this recorded, you can find it over there, right? Now at last I'd like to tell you, in the evening classes yoga, we dance and sing every day with song about 4 minutes. We keep on clapping, we keep on dancing, we keep on singing, right? And we have seen that the people coming with depression, people coming with a very you can say that depleted and the lost mode of living, I have seen the miracles happening in that class. That means dancing and singing. हम जहाँ डांस करने का मौका आता है ना, हम बिल्कुल वंचित कर देते हैं अपने आप को. We cannot. आप ना दरवाजा बंद करके अच्छा सा गाना चला के अगर आप डांस जैसे ही करोगे ना, your मूल चक्र, मूलाधार चक्र gets balanced, and you can see that once that chakra, your foundation is very strong, and you meditate every day, right? You do the pranayam, you do the asana, different asanas. We take the asana, the standing position, sitting position, lying position, on the back as well as the tummy. I have seen that after completion of the yoga, lot of endorphins are created. They also are very much helpful to open the chakras. I can at last tell you very definitely, if you keep your chakras all the time activated, right? Overactive or underactive, both are actually putting into trouble. So every day, if you do meditation for little time also, what Dr. Anila has been taking in the morning, that is gratitude, then meditation, different types of meditation she takes, and the last is what we run the session in the morning at 6:10. The third is the affirmation. Affirmations also for every particular chakra. There are affirmations. And if you keep on repeating with the affirmation, though, all these things will keep your chakras in balance, and life will be truly blissful, joyful, more contented, more happier, and more satisfying. So I finish up over here. Now please come up with any questions. Shazai, you can take over now.
Okay, thank you very much, Balram bhai. It was a very informative session. So we come to an end of the session. Thank you very much, Balram bhai. I request all of you to unmute yourself and give a warm applause to Mr. Balram bhai for taking this wonderful session.
Wonderful session.
We come to a question answer round, and if anybody has a question, you can raise your hand, and we try to answer all questions one by one. Lakshmi, please go ahead with your question.
Yeah, actually, it was a wonderful session. Thank you so much. I was always interested about chakras. Wanted to know more about this, so it was a nice session. Looking forward for more sessions. I've joined the group. It would be great if Ram sir said you can share the meditation the audio with the beat mantra. It would be really great for us to practice that.
See,
Okay.
one thing I like to tell you here, in every morning, we conduct the pranayam session, and in that we are going to take every chakra. We are going to call Trusha for the single chakra. We'll be calling her there also. And if you are really interested in getting the life very comfortable, more satisfying, more easier, so you can join our morning session. The change the breath, chale बातें चले चित्त, right? जब सांस चलती है तो मन चलता है, मन चलता है तो विचार कुपित होते हैं, ज्यादा मन चलता है तो the life becomes miserable, quite miserable. Instead of creating the blissful thoughts or the thoughts which can bless to us and to bless others also, we हम क्या करते हैं, सरकमस्टांस को देखते हुए सृष्टि जैसी होती है वैसे संकल्प चलाते हैं, राइट? पर हम उसमें ये सीखते हैं कि संकल्पों को कैसे बदलें ताकि सृष्टि का निर्माण हम वो कर सकें और तस्वीरें देख सकें जिंदगी के एरिया में जो हम चाहते हैं.
Okay. Thank you, Mike. So we might come up with a detailed workshop on chakras in the future. So as it comes, we'll keep you posted in the group. Uh, and we organize 3 different sessions in the morning, and these are the daily sessions. And the first session is taken by Dr. Anila Lal Damodar. That's for the daily practices of gratitude and meditation, what Balram ji talked about. So in case if somebody wants to join that session, may contact Dr. Anila directly or may get in touch with me. Then we have pranayam sessions, which are taken by Mr. Balram Tulleja. These are also daily sessions starting at 6:45. So somebody who wants to get in touch or want to join can contact me or Balram ji separately. I've also mentioned the registration link. And if somebody wants to try it, you can join the session free of cost for 3 days to try out the session. Right?
And one thing, Shal bhai, I would like to add it here.
Sure,
We start everyday session we start with 10 minutes of deep breathing. If one does every day about 10 minutes deep breathing, what we learn in a much more detail with the different types of pranayamas, उनके चक्रास कभी imbalance होंगे ही नहीं. I can challenge you. Such a beautiful we get the learning with the deep breathing. जैसे आप करते हैं तो all the chakras gets automatically balanced, automatically.
Right. And the third session is by Mr. Sanjeev Mishra, which is related to money and the abundance of money in your life, which starts at 7 o'clock. So if somebody wants to join that, you can get in touch with me there.
बलराम सर, ये प्रोस्टेट के लिए कौन सा चक्रास है?
Of course, root chakra.
Okay.
Yeah, very. आप करके देखो, दिवाकर जी आपको बता रहा हूँ, wonderful results you will get. मूल बंद ही लगाओगे तो सब खत्म हो जाएगा. पेरिनियम के लिए that for your problem, मूल बंद is the more than only if you apply मूल बंद that your problem will be solved. Only with the practice मूल बंद, wonderful effect it gives you. Only with this मूल बंद.
How much time?
Pardon?
Balram ji,
How much
Daisy,
time should give for?
नहीं, उसमें हम लोग क्या करते हैं, दिवाकर जी, I'm telling you what we do in the how we connected with the pranayam na, we start applying मूल बंद. We just count, breathe in and count 1 2 3 4 5, apply मूल बंद, we hold for 10 counts and release again for 5 counts and we release that मूल बंद. That way we apply the pranayam with that, so it becomes more effective. अगर आप चलते फिरते उठते बैठते भी लगा सकते हैं. हम तो कपालभाति में लगाते हैं, हम श्वसन शुद्धि में लगाते हैं, अनुलोम विलोम में लगाते हैं. Everywhere we are now applying these मूल बंदास, and the people are getting the wonderful benefits in this मूल बंद.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Daisy, you have a question?
Yeah, Balram ji, like any body pain, I mean, is it related to any kind of chakras which is imbalanced and how it can be rectified?
See, anything for which we have to see the
Suppose a
orthopedic
back
surgeon.
pain. Yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
Huh.
anything for which you have to visit the orthopedic surgeon, all those problems are related to the root chakra. Yeah, when the root
Okay.
chakra is uprooted, na, it disturbs even the. But we take the every single pranayam we do for single different chakras, and we give you exactly. See that there are so many reasons for the pain. See, pain is an indication from the nature side, which is reflected with the body that something is wrong with your mind, something is wrong with you. The pain is a nature's way, our body's reflection of telling that something is going wrong in your life. Fibromyalgia, unrelenting pain. There is no cure
Yeah.
for the medical science. For that also, we definitely can be helpful through the pranayama. And I'm expert in EFT, emotional freedom technique trainer. I remove all the pains in the body. Any damn pain. Of course, the different pains in the body are related to the different support. Suppose lower back, middle back, upper back. There are different reasons. If we remove those different reasons, we make the affirmations accordingly. Then the things can be definitely taken care of. We do the asanas for that particular area. Which
Yeah.
area you got the pain in the body? Lower back,
No, like it's the upper back, shoulder,
upper back.
below the shoulder.
Uh, So I've got the different videos also made on this shoulder pain. See, whenever there is pain, that means your body has got the air element more in your body. आपके शरीर में वात का प्रभाव ज्यादा है, right? तो हम क्या करते हैं? We make this. The first finger represents the vayu, right? When we put the tip of the first finger, the root of the thumb, this becomes vayu mudra,
Yeah.
right?
Vayu mudra.
Vayu
Yeah.
mudra 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then if you apply prana mudra 5 to 10 minutes, I can challenge you that any pain on the spot, it makes a difference to you. First, you have to apply the
Okay.
vayu mudra, pain in the body,
Yeah.
and second is the prana mudra, means circulation. हमारे शरीर में जहाँ भी पेन होता है ना, the circulation gets hampered, right? Prana mudra makes the circulation flow easily. The vayu mudra removes the vat, which sometimes the reason for creating the pain in the body, particularly the joints pain.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Balram. Lakshmi, do you have a question? Sadhna ji, you may ask your question. You're on mute,
Bandha.
Sadhna.
Yeah, about the Moola Bandha, you have to contract the whole perineal area, including the anal area and the vulval area. Am I right?
Correct. Very true.
For the urinary control, especially for the woman.
Yes, urine incontinency. Basically, what we do, see, Mulban, we rise up the entire pelvic girdle, where our bowel, our bladder, and the womb all get contracted on the upper side. During that, there is one perineum area in the males and cervix area in the female. That also gets contracted, and that affects the urethra, which is the muscle which carries the urine from the urinary bladder to the urinary passage. Right? If we by applying the Moolban, even that area is also getting affected. But there is Vajroli Mudra for that. We just contract that particular area. That is called the Vajroli area, Vajroli Mudra. It is called na. With that, this urine incontinency can be very well controlled. Very well controlled.
Yeah, that's what they in the Kegels. Only the front portion should be contracted near the urethra. If you contract the whole thing, means I really want to know, because Kegels exercise the doctors tell the lady to do for the urinary incontinence, that definitely should be. We tell them to avoid contracting the anal area. Just contract that front area. So
now
that
today
is
we are
the Rajoli Mudra. I mean, whatever that.
See, I tell you, today we are talking on the chakras, na. We are more emphasizing on the Moolban. During the Moolban, that area also gets contracted, which is the perineum in the males and the females, it is called the cervix area, right? Otherwise, if you directly see, our anal region always is on the downside, right? And the urinary passage for both males and females is in the front side, right? The area in between two. The area in between the central portion is called the where lies this urethra muscle. If you just apply that, now all the sexual difficulties, even vaginal discharge, you can say, or urinary incontinency, all the problems can be taken care of by just contracting that area, perineal area in the male cervix area, and the females it is called as Vajruli Mudra, it is rightly called. Right?
That is-
How to know? Now, one thing I'd like to tell you, how to know whether I have perfectly applied or not. When you go to the bathroom for passing the urine, na, you start, आपने पेशाब करना चालू करो, फिर रोको. The moment you stop, na, that area gets contracted. You come to know I have applied my Vajruli Mudra. That is not the technique, but to know that whether I have properly applied Vajruli Mudra or not. आप बाथरूम में जाके जैसे ही पेशाब आप करते हैं, आप पेशाब को जैसे ही रोकोगे ना, तो वो एरिया कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होती है. फिर पेशाब को फ्लो करने दो, फिर रोको. The moment you stop urination, that area gets contracted. That is to know exactly what is Vajruli Mudra or the Kegel exercise. Doctors call it as the Kegel exercise also.
Kegels exercise. That's what. Okay.
Yeah, correct.
Thank you.
Thank you. Lakshmi, do you have a question?
यस बलराम सर, जब हम मूलाधार
Yes, yes.
लगाते हैं तो ब्रीदिंग का उसमें कोई प्रभाव, लाइक इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल के साथ कनेक्टेड है, और दैट गोज पैरेलली एंड दिस इज
See, morning class, since we are learning the pranayamas in very much detail, right? Mulban can be applied during any pranayamas. Mulban can be applied without pranayamas. Mulban can be applied in the standing position, sitting position, lying position, right? And when we apply with the pranayam, na, what happens? See how we teach मूलबंध in the pranayam, ना, जैसे हम एक फ्लोर से पांचवें फ्लोर पर लिफ्ट जा रही है, राइट? अभी सभी मेरे साथ करेंगे. I'll just count up to 5 and inhale and contract the entire pelvic girdle. मलद्वार से मूत्रद्वार पूरी एरिया को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करो and just count 1 2 3 4 5. राइट? आप सुन लो पहले, फिर मैं कराऊंगा. उसके बाद you hold for 10 counts, right? When you exhale for 5 counts, ना, you release the मूलबंध. Enter, drop the pelvic girdle, right? ऐसा अगर आप करते हैं ना, आप करके देखो, आपको बताऊंगा क्या डिफरेंस फील होता है. Come on everybody, very slowly breathe in 5 counts and apply the मूलबंध. Yes, with this technique, inhale, apply Mulban, hold for 10 counts, hold it there, and exhale and release the Mulban. The moment you apply Mulban, both the feet are fully grounded, fully attracted toward the ground. आपको ऐसे लगा जैसे मेरा पूरा बॉडी है ना मदर अर्थ की तरफ खींच रहा है. ये सभी करके देखो. You inhale, apply Mulban for 5. You just inhale for 5 counts, apply Mulban, then hold for 10 counts. And then release मूलबन. जब आप मूलबन लगाते हैं ना, your both the feet fully get into connection with this mother earth. करके देखो सभी. When you do with the breathing, wonderful results you get. And the moment you release your मूलबन ना, your feet becomes lighter. You feel as if it is simply kept on the ground. अदरवाइज उनका जो आकर्षण है जमीन की तरफ, गुरुत्वाकर्षण बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है. Could you feel it, लक्ष्मी जी, please? Could you feel it?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
On the spot, you feel grounded. On the spot.
Grounded.
With the breathing that.
Thank you, sir.
क्योंकि ब्रीदिंग के साथ क्या है, आपका मन भी शांत हो जाता है ना. आपकी सांसें जैसे ही लंबी होती हैं, तो आपके पास, आप सांस को रोकते हैं तो आपके पास मूलबंध को रोकने की भी ताकत आ जाती है. You can apply मूलबंध so beautifully. And the result consequently is the thing, you can easily feel more grounding of your feet on the ground. आप अगर कोई भी आसन में बैठे हैं, you feel more attracted, that you can say, आपको ऐसे जैसे जमीन आपको खींच रही है. The earth is you are being pulled toward the earth. Clear?
Medha, do you have a question?
Yes, sir. Sir, we spoke about hormones and chakras. So, is there specific
Yes.
chakra which focuses on PCOD or PCOS problems?
Yes. That is again the area of Muladhara chakra. Yeah.
And before you showed the 2 mudras for pain, so do they work for menstrual cramps also?
See, menstrual cramps, it is Apana Mudra. See, anything which is working in our body with prana, Prana, Apana, Vyana, Udana, Saman. The area below the navel is controlled by the Apana Vayu. And if we touch the two middle fingers against the thumb, अब दोनों ही बीच की उंगलियों को अंगूठे के सामने राउंड सर्कल बनाते हुए ऐसा ले आते हैं ना, it becomes अपान मुद्रा. So anything related with this, anything related to the menstruation, whether it is excessive bleeding, interrupted bleeding, excessive bleeding, painful bleeding या irregular bleeding, menstruation, everything can be. अगर किसी बच्ची को उम्र हो गई है, she is grown up, उसका पीरियड का टाइम शुरू हो गया है और पीरियड नहीं आ रहा है, if that sister also apply this mudra na, I can tell you within 10 days उसका पीरियड आना चालू हो जाएगा. Such a beautiful mudra is अपन मुद्रा. और आपको एक बात बताता हूँ मैं कि गर्भवती महिला जब स्ट्रेचर पर गई है और डॉक्टर कहते हैं कि बच्चे को बाहर करने के लिए आपको मतलब ऑपरेशन करना पड़ेगा, अगर वो गर्भवती महिला कुछ समय के लिए अपान वायु मुद्रा करेगी ना, तो गर्भ से बच्चे को बाहर निकालने का काम भी अपान वायु मुद्रा करती है. I've seen one pregnant lady with me. I told her कि अगर आपको लगता है कि बच्चे को आप ऑपरेशन नहीं कराना चाहती हैं, आपको ऐसा लगता है ना, you get lot of pain but you are not able to deliver the fetus, deliver the child, then that time you apply this mudra. And she told me, Balram, the moment I thought that doctors are thinking of taking the child out of my womb through operation, उन्होंने वो मुद्रा लगाना चालू की, and within 35 minutes she could easily deliver the baby without operation. Such is a beautiful mudra. Vaginal discharge, any type of discharge it is.
So, sir, this mudra should be practiced throughout the month or just for those 5 days?
No, see, mudras are to be done on the regular basis. If anything is irregular in your life, right? If you keep on applying the mudras very regularly, then your problem gets over. That mudra has to be done for 45 minutes. There is special mudra for the vaginal area also. And if you keep on applying that mudra on the regular basis, that problem won't arise only. I'm telling you. Because the moment you apply your mudra, they are like the switches. अब जैसे बटन चालू किया लाइट ऑन हो गई, बटन चालू किया एसी ऑन हो गई, तो जैसे ही आप मुद्रा लगाते हैं इट स्टार्ट्स वर्किंग. और जैसे ही वहाँ का काम होना शुरू होता है तो अपन वायु का काम जो काम है ना, अपन वायु, सी अपन वायु 4 प्रकार के टॉक्सिन्स को बाहर करती है. मल निष्कासन, मूत्र निष्कासन, पसीना, और जो है वो मल मूत्र पसीना और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ब्रीदिंग के थ्रू निकलता है, लेकिन नेचर हैज गॉट द फोर्स, सबसे ज्यादा बॉडी के टॉक्सिन को बाहर करता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. दैट इज द डीप ब्रीदिंग. बट मल के नीचे क्या क्या होता है, नाभि के नीचे मल निष्कासन, मूत्र निष्कासन, और फिर आपका जो है अपना ये वेजिनल डिस्चार्ज जो मेंस्ट्रुएशन के दौरान होता है. ऑल कैन बी टेकिंग. मेरे पास 30 सालों का इतना लंबा अनुभव है ना कि हमारे क्लास में कोई भी एक ऐसा नहीं मिलता है विद द रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस ऑफ आसना एंड प्राणायाम ना. Our sisters were very regular menstruation despite lot of tension in their life. There's a lot of difficult situation. पर क्योंकि क्या है, हम कुछ ऐसे प्राणायाम कराते हैं where the main pituitary gland gets activated. Pituitary अगर master gland activate हो गया, thyroid, thymus, pancreas, adrenal and the gonad, testes, ovaries gland gets very much in balance. अगर वो हार्मोन्स अगर बैलेंस हो गए, जैसे हम अनुलोम प्राणायाम 5 मिनट रोज कराते हैं, all the chakras get activated, get balance in this. तो नेचुरली प्रॉब्लम आता ही नहीं. आई हैव सीन द पीपल. मैं आपको एक बात बता रहा हूँ कि हमारे क्लास में अशोक भाई साहब आते थे हमारे क्लास में. आई वाज कंडक्टिंग दैट क्लास इन माय एरिया वेयर आई स्टे ना. आई गो टू द 2 days इन अ वीक देयर. ही हैज टोल्ड मी, बलराम सर, जब से मैंने योगा ज्वाइन किया, मैं 5 साल में कभी हॉस्पिटल नहीं गया हूँ, नहीं तो मेरे को महीने में 2 बार हॉस्पिटल भर्ती होना पड़ता था. द मोमेंट ही स्टार्टेड डूइंग तो ऑल द चक्रास, आसनास, प्राणायाम एंड मुद्रास एंड द सेम. Meditation is a wonderful technique of balancing the chakras. I have seen the wonderful results with yoga and pranayam and of course all the 3 aspects of yoga.
Thank you, sir.
आपको कोई भी चाहिए ना, तो you can come to morning session and see there. If you feel like ना, you can get another. I can send you so many links. I share every day links with the new pranayam and another thing. And we are going to cover every single chakra. मैं उनको त्रिशा को भी वहाँ बुलाने वाला हूँ, एक चक्रा के लिए बुलाऊंगा मैं. We'll take a session for the particular, भले वो 10 मिनट के लिए आए, 15 मिनट के लिए आए, but we are going to see that every single chakra is taken care of. Okay.
Right. Sadhana ji, you have one question?
Yeah, no, for these mudras, Apanvayu mudra, how long for all most of the genitourinary problems seems to be very helpful because of it governed by the Apanvayu. So, how long do you have to do it? Manamudra for the ladies every day. How long?
See, till the time your problem persists, you have to continue this mudra every day, maybe for a month, 2 months, 3 months, or 6 months time. Till the time problem is there, you have to continue this mudra for 40 to 45 minutes every day. Every day. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Dr. Sadhana is a gynecologist from California. I just got to know that. Okay, so
Hello.
we come to an end of the session. So we've already crossed 20 minutes past time. So thank you very much, everyone, for being
Thank
there.
you. Thank you, Dhananjay.
For this conversation. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.